In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files for estimation in CostMiner. CostMiner is a sophisticated tool designed to simplify construction estimating and takeoff processes, making it easier for professionals to manage their projects. Whether you're working on a small-scale renovation or a large commercial build, understanding how to effectively navigate this platform can streamline your workflow significantly. Let's dive in step by step. First, you'll need to head to the CostMiner website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for CostMiner's official site, which is where we begin this journey. Once there, you should see a clean and professional page dedicated to helping you find the resources you need. Next, it's time to log in. Look for the Login button on the homepage. Clicking this will direct you to a login screen where you can enter your account credentials. Make sure these are at your fingertips. If you're new, you may need to create an account before proceeding. It's important to maintain a secure password here to protect your project's integrity. Once you're logged in, your next task is to open an existing project or create a new one within CostMiner. If you're working on a current project, simply navigate to it in your dashboard. But if this is a fresh start, don't worry. Creating a new project is intuitive. Just follow the on-screen prompts. After you're in the project area, you'll notice a button labeled Import Plan. Give that button a click. This is an essential step because importing your project plans is where the magic begins. Now that you've clicked on Import Plan, it's time to select your specific plan. This step involves choosing the file you wish to upload for estimation purposes. Whether it's a PDF blueprint or another format, ensure your documents are organized and ready for upload beforehand. After selecting your plan, you'll see an option labeled Add. Click on Add to finalize the uploading of your file to the platform. This step incorporates the selected plan into your project, ready for detailed estimation and further steps ahead. By following these steps, you've now successfully uploaded your files into CostMiner for estimation. With these files integrated into the system, you can venture into deeper aspects of project management, knowing you've set a solid foundation for estimating costs and planning resources effectively. It's all about making sure your workflow is smooth and efficient. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, guiding you clearly and concisely through each phase of the process. Whether you're refining your skills or jumping into CostMiner for the first time, these steps are your companions on a journey to becoming a cost estimation pro. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our guides to keep enhancing your construction